We're here to walk you through the process of building your KOHL'S Charisma frame SH-132. Installation requires a minimum of 2 people. Once you've unpacked, removed, and laid out all the frame pieces and components, locate your hardware bags. Then proceed to lay out the matching numbers between sections, so 1 goes with 1, 2 with 2, and so on. The top and bottom sides will be labeled as shown. Please note, there are 3 L brackets per corner. Use the 3 different L brackets to connect the 2 adjoining number 1 sections. First, insert the thicker L bracket. Next, take the 2 thinner corner brackets, place the one with the set screws on top of the one without, then slide them into the channel as shown. Screw in loosely. Do not tighten until all brackets are in place. Take the mating extrusion piece with the matching number and guide the corner brackets in. The screws are tightened from the inside of the frame. Now we show it from the adjoining number 2 sections. Here's a tip: if holes aren't lining up, use the supplied Allen key to bring the bracket and extrusion hole into alignment. Align the corners before tightening screws. Once all screws are in and corners are aligned, you may tighten all screws. If you have difficulty assembling a corner, try to level the light box supporting the side that doesn't have standoff brackets. When completing corners 3 and 4, we recommend putting all of the L brackets on the bottom 2 sides. Once both sides are installed, slide the bottom piece into both adjoining corners at the same time as shown. Align the corners before tightening screws. Once all screws are in and corners are aligned, you may tighten all screws. Once the frame is built, you can connect the electrical pieces at corner 1 and 2. Connect the white female connectors to their matching male connectors. The connectors must fully click together. For corners 3 and 4, the electrical cables stay unconnected as noted on the label. The frame includes a spanner bar, and the install position is marked with a green dot. It should be placed in the center frame channel slot. The spanner bar should be loosened before placing inside the frame. Don't loosen too much as the set screw can fall out. From there, place the spanner bar into the frame channel. Here's a tip: you may need to gently push the frame inward or outward to slide the spanner bar into its place. Align both sides before tightening. Use the Allen key to expand the spanner bar inside the channel to tighten and secure. Now it's time to flip your light box to the back side. You can identify the back of the frame by the standoff brackets. They wrap around the back side of the frame. The standoff brackets will be pre-installed. A white fabric backer will be included to reflect light forward to the graphic. Make sure the slit is on the side with the power cord. Install this backer before mounting the back crossbar and before the front graphic. Take the corner and press about 6 to 10 inches of silicone into the frame channel. Fold the backer in so the silicone is on the inside of the backer as shown on the screen. Repeat for the opposite corner. Then repeat for the next corner and the final corner. After all corners are pressed in, press the silicone at the midpoints on all 4 sides. Press the silicone into the frame evenly between corners and midpoints. This prevents the fabric backer from bunching up or stretching too much and will ensure a smooth and tight fit. Pass the power cord through the slit in the backer. We recommend plugging into an outlet to test lights before final install. Now it's time to mount the rear crossbar to the sides of the frame using the provided countersunk screws. Once the rear crossbar is secure, flip the frame back around to the front. We will now install the front graphic. 2 pairs of white gloves are included to help protect the graphic from damage and staining. The front graphic installation is the same as the backer. Let's walk through it one more time. Take the corner and press about 6 to 10 inches of silicone in the frame channel. Fold the graphic in so the silicone is on the inside of the graphic as shown on the screen. Repeat for the opposite corner. Repeat for the next corner and the final corner. After all corners are pressed in, press the silicone at the midpoints on all 4 sides. Press the silicone into the frame evenly between corners and midpoints. The silicone strip should not be visible when the graphic is installed. Here's a tip. Use a clean credit card to push in the silicone further for a crisper graphic look. The white backer and front graphic can be found in the frame packaging. Please see your store directive for installation instructions. You have now completed assembly of the lit fabric frame.